Hi, this is Timik TV. Welcome to our channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, you are so welcome to this family. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. I love you all. Thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for your like, the comment, the share. I really appreciate. If you've not subscribed yet to our channel, you are missing out a lot. Please click on the subscribe button. Notification bell will come up. Click on the notification bell to whenever you get update each time a new video is uploaded. Alright. In this video, I'll be doing a review on RWT cream. This cream, you can call it a cream or a serum. It's highly concentrated. Now, I'll be getting messages from you guys on Instagram showing me pictures of cream you want me to recommend. Hello, is this cream good for me? Hello, what do you think about this cream? And all of that. Okay. Now, I don't know why somebody would want to apply this on her face. This is a strong whitening serum. If you apply this serum on your dark knuckles, it's going to clean your dark knuckle in a matter of days. Now, why would anyone apply this on her face? You want to damage your face? Like you want to burn the skin on your face? Please, if you are doing this already, stop it for your own good. Okay? I've got this from about 4 or 5 persons already just this week asking me about this serum. This serum is similar to Whitening Serum, Gramicetine Serum, lotion, Piment, Doux, and all of there are so many magic white potion. They are similar. These serums have high pH level. They are highly concentrated. You cannot apply this on your skin directly except you want to treat dark knuckle or dark spots. Now, if you apply this on your dark knuckle, it's going to clear your dark knuckle in a matter of days. It doesn't fade it. It peels off your dark knuckle. So do you want to peel off the skin on your face because you want to get rid of spots or the dark sunburn spots? You want to get rid of dark spots on your face. You want to treat sunburn, and so you're applying this on your face. Please, if you are doing it, stop it. It's not good. The ingredients in this serum will be listed in the description box below. Now, this serum is good for if you are a promixer, you promix cream. This serum is good for your cream and your soap. If you are making black soap, you can add this to your black soap. You can add this to your shower gel. You can add this to your cream. If you are a cream formulator, if you are a soap formulator, I'm sure you know how to use this already, but you don't use the whole bottle. You can only use 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons depending on the quantity of cream you're mixing, depending on the ml. Okay, now on this bottle it's written RWT cure and prevent cream and gel reaction. It cures and prevents cream and gel reaction, sunburn, eczema, rashes, ringworm, and other skin troubles due to bleaching cream reaction. Okay, and it says you can apply on your face, you can apply on sunburn. It's written here, but I totally disagree because already it's too harsh on your knuckles. So why would you want to apply it on your face? The skin on the face is so sensitive. It's super sensitive compared to the skin on your hand, on your body, on your knuckles. That's why it's usually advised that you apply a different cream on your face. Face cream are usually different from body cream because you have a very sensitive skin on your face. Now, this RWT is a product of egg yolk. It's produced by egg yolk, rapid white egg yolk. On one side of the container, it's written produced by rapid white egg yolk. On the reverse side of it, it's written produced by rapid white GGG yolk. I think that's a typographical error. It's supposed to be EGG. That's egg yolk. Okay, so please ignore that. This is a product of egg yolk, rapid white egg yolk. It's a treating and whitening serum. It can be mixed in your cream. It can be mixed in your soap, depending on the quantity of the cream and the soap you're producing. It says apply directly on the content, and I'm reading from there. It says apply directly to the sunburn for 7 days only. Mix with any body lotion or cream. Maximum quantity 200 ml of cream should be mixed with this bottle. In case any side reaction, please discontinue and consult your physician. That's what is written here, but I totally disagree. Please do not apply this directly on your face. Do not apply this directly on your sunburn. Whether this RWT serum or Gluta-C or Piment Doux or Magic Potion or Leo Lotion or Shedding Serum, do not apply directly on your skin. You only be doing yourself more harm than good. Okay, so that's all about this for now. I didn't really plan to do this review now, but because of what I'll be getting from you guys asking if you can use this, if you can mix this, if you can apply it on your sunburn, please know it's for your own good. I had to put up this video because of so many messages I've got already just on this serum and Piment Doux. Do not apply on your skin directly. I'm going to list all ingredients in the description box below. This is a very strong whitening serum. I repeat, very strong whitening serum. In fact, serums such as this should be used by skincare formulators, because I think they are professionals and they know how to mix it. They know what proportion to use. You know, not just because I say it's a very strong whitening serum now, you're watching this video and the next thing you want to do is rush to the supermarket or rush to a cosmetics shop to get this and start mixing in your cream. Please do not damage your skin. If you want to mix at all, 1 teaspoon. Tablespoon is different from teaspoon. Tablespoon is bigger, so I recommend 1 teaspoon or at most 2 teaspoons, depending on the quantity you want to mix with it. Hope you find this video useful. Please share with a friend. Let someone know about this. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.